Hey, this is Eric with PDRC, and today we have the brand new V5 Kraton 6S. I don't know what's inside the box. It just arrived from FedEx. I do kind of wonder if it's a vampire because there's puncture holes in both of the boxes, but let's find out what this animal wants to get out of the box so bad about. So we're going to go ahead and take a quick view. Now this has got the new Spectrum system in it, so it should have oh, that is a gorgeous car. So we got the toolboxes. Looks like they're mentioning the shims in here. So those of you who bought the EXB when it came out, the shims were actually something that had popped up, and looks like they've included some shims in with it, which is really nice. Those are really helpful. I got lucky on my EXB. Some folks had a little bit of a challenge with it. Let's see, so we got the controls. Trying to be diplomatic with the box. If this was mine, I would look like a 3-year-old on Christmas, ripping everything apart. But looks like we still got that sexy blue body. Actually, it looks like they've changed the colors a little bit. I know the camera might not do it any justice, but if you look at it, there's kind of like some chrome going on here in the background. So it looks like they went with the candy color on this one instead of the flat. Let's see here. So this should have the Firma system inside of it, and it does. Alright, so this one here actually has the EXB compatible front plate on it. Looks like they got the Spectrum 652 servo in it, so that should be a Metal Gear servo. The Firma 150 ESC with the matching Spectrum Firma 2050 kV engine. So everything in here looks really clean too, and I don't just mean because it's new. So that should be matched out to the latest and greatest of the controllers here. So this is the SLT3. A lot of folks who come in the store with questions on this controller are asking, what does this button here go for? There's actually an extra channel inside the receiver, so if you wanted to put a fan on this, you could just use that, but that's what that button goes for right there. So far I've had really good luck with this particular one in our demo cars, but looks like a few changes were made. They had widened out some of the chassis plate over here, so it's a little bit larger than what you're used to. They made some changes to the arms. They've added in the metal down here on the ends, etc. So they got the safety in place now. So when you're looking over here at the output, looks a lot cleaner. Looks like it's running the V4 mount in it as well. But I'll be going through this car. I really wish I could disassemble it, but unfortunately this one's not mine to play with soon. But once I can go through it, I'll see what else has been changed in it and give some feedback. Anyway, so thank you for seeing my first unboxing video. Hopefully it was a little informative, and we'll see you later.